Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be comparing Spectrum Mobile and Verizon Wireless in 2026. So first of all, let's just understand how these services actually work. So Spectrum Mobile uses the T-Mobile network for coverage and data, even though the plan is sold by Spectrum. Verizon Wireless uses Verizon's own nationwide network, which is one of the largest and most widely used network in the United States. So if we decide based on the key parameters, first let's just talk about the coverage and reliability. So since Spectrum Mobile runs on T-Mobile's network, we will get solid coverage in many cities and suburbs and good 5G speeds where T-Mobile has strong infrastructure. Verizon's network is generally stronger in both urban and the rural areas with wide 5G coverage and consistent performance across more regions. For people who live outside major metro areas, Verizon tends to have fewer dead zones and better signal overall. When we talk about the speed and the performance, so Spectrum Mobile's speeds are usually good for everyday use for streaming, social media, video calls, and browsing, but they depend on the T-Mobile's network quality in your area. Verizon's speeds are strong and consistently fast, especially on the Verizon's 5G extra wideband where it is available. That is going to give the better performance for the large downloads and high resolution streaming. If we take a look at the parameter of plans and the pricing, we can just see on the official website of Spectrum in this particular table. So one of the Spectrum Mobile's biggest advantages is simple pricing, especially if you bundle with the Spectrum Internet. It can be cheaper than the standalone plans. Verizon's plan are pricier, but they include more extras like larger hotspot caps, premium streaming perks, and the international features on certain plans. So which one is better for you? You can go with Verizon Wireless if you want stronger nationwide coverage, fast 5G speed and more perks. You can go with Spectrum Mobile if you want simple budget friendly service, especially with a Spectrum internet bundle. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.